Good morning! Love push day. It is day 4. You're halfway through. I'm incredibly excited because today we're gonna start splitting muscle groups and doing free weight exercises. That's so scary. But what's that? Okay. It's difficult to squeeze everything into one workout. So for each of these next 4 days, I created 2 workouts. If you do both, you'll know that you've hit every muscle. I'm pretty proud of it. And then that's workout number 1, push day. Okay, we're gonna start with the bench. You can adjust it with these yellow points too. So you adjust the incline of the bench by pulling. If I pull this is gonna fall back, so I only have one hand. We're gonna do chest press incline first, that we need a 45-degree angle for. So we're gonna push this up and then bring it down and leave it so that it clicks in. Just make sure that it's clicked. You can make sure by doing this. And then if it doesn't move, it's clicked. We're gonna keep this one just straight. Honestly, don't worry about it. This is, I think, advanced. Let's leave this. I stabilized the bench from like moving. So scary. By putting these 2 things underneath the back. I'll show you. 1, 2. Now it's like better. For the workout, we're gonna focus on dumbbells, which makes it nice and easy. You don't have a lot of things that you need to go find. This is how I look, by the way. It is a Sunday evening. It's 11:30 at night. I finally found a time when no one's here, but I think it's because it's the 21st of December. So everyone's like on holiday, they're either in Cape Town or away from Cape Town. For the bench, we're gonna do 2 exercises. Incline, chest press, and shoulder press. I want you to grab a weight that you'll feel comfortable with shoulder pressing, because we're gonna maybe have incorrect form, and then if we go too heavy from the start, you can hurt your shoulders, because incorrect form will work your shoulders more from a chest press. Okay, we have done the curl and the overhead press. I can't remember what day it was. That weight that you used, choose it to practice this exercise that we're gonna do now. Okay, I'm grabbing an 8. I love push day because it works the shoulders. Makes your arm look thinner because it goes like boop and then it goes in. I think it looks pretty. First, we're doing a chest press, which I love to do with a shoulder press because I remember them both better if I do them after each other. And it's almost the same like movement. We've adjusted our bench. Now we've gotten our weight. Something cool that you can do to get the weight up there is with your weights on top of your legs, you push it up and push it up. And then it's like up here. It's a way that you can use your very strong leg muscles to help your less strong shoulder and arm muscles. For the chest press specifically, we keep our elbows tucked in because we want to protect our shoulders. And then you keep the weight parallel to your nipples. That's what I imagine. Sorry, for lack of a better placement. Okay, middle of your chest. Middle of your chest. You arch your back and wrists when you hold weight is always straight underneath your elbows. Cool thing. Different angle. Up, up. Elbows tucked in, wrists straight. 45 degrees. You press up. The weight should be directly overhead, the middle of your chest. And then you come back down, elbows tucked in. Press. This is a heavy weight. Why did I choose this? Push. Coming down all the way. Pressing. Turn 45 degrees, elbows tucked in, slowly come down all the way. Press. And your back is arched. You're keeping the weight directly above your nipples or the middle of your chest. It's heavy. Okay. Okay, so you're gonna do 3 sets of the chest presses. For the first set, you chose a weight that's gonna be okay for your shoulders. And I wanted you to practice the form until you're comfortable with it. Also remembering that you can ask anyone in the gym, and they're always incredibly happy to help. And then as soon as you feel very comfortable with the form, you can go up in the weight, but just be careful. Next, shoulder presses. I like shoulders, it looks so pretty. Like, with shoulder presses, we're gonna move our bench to be steeper. So press up, upwards, and then let go until it clicks at the 60 degrees. Works. I'm using 4s because I want to protect my shoulders, and I want to. Form for this is a bit different. You do the cool thing, and you bring your elbows outwards, not completely all the way out, but like almost there. So we do a 45-degree angle with our shoulders. This is like 90, and this is like 90. 45s in. Wrists straight. We arch our back, and we press upwards. The weights now, instead of being over your chest, they're a little bit more back, but they're not too far back and not too far forward. So they would be above your shoulders. Okay. Coming down 45 degrees, pressing upwards over our shoulders like this. Coming down, pressing. Slowly coming down, quickly. Coming down, pressing. Okay. Next we're going to do lateral raises and tricep row pushdowns with this cable machine. If you're a girly and you don't want big arms, don't work triceps as much. It is the muscle that creates the most girth. This whole muscle here. Work it less, or when you do, just use light weights. So we're gonna remove this. We pull to head height. The weight I'm gonna have as 1.25. You move to a weight that's light enough for you to practice the form with, but it's heavy enough to still be a challenge. So for reverse flies, you don't actually need any attachment on this. You can just use it like this. Feet hip width apart, grabbing this without this. Don't grab this. Grab onto this, and we're gonna pull towards the ground. So 45-degree angle. Make sure you're standing far away enough, because we're gonna go back, keeping our arms straight, upwards like this, and then coming back down again. This works the tricep muscle. So 45-degree angle, you squeeze your tricep at the end, and you go straight arm back up. Squeeze, come back up. Okay, for triceps, we're gonna move this a bit more up. We clip it on. My weight I'm putting as a 5. We grabby here, feet hip width apart, bending your knees, taking it down to here. Your elbows will be tucked in at all times, and you push it down. Your knuckles can then be facing the ground when you're extended like this. Coming back up. Push down. Squeeze your triceps at the bottom, coming back up slowly. Arms tucked in. Your elbows don't move. Squeeze. It's good to extend up, so you get a big stretch in the triceps, and then you push down again. Stretch, big stretch. Push down. Okay. And then the last exercise for this workout is to do push-ups wide. We've done push-ups, you know how, so I'm not going to show you again. When you do push-ups, you want your hands next to your chest. When we're doing push-ups to work chest, we keep them far apart. Never letting our elbows be like this. It's like always turned in 45 degrees. And then we go up. Doing it on your knees is beautiful and perfect as well. Okay, that's chest.